Welcome back to Lexus of Royal Oak. We are located at 7677 112th Avenue Northwest, Calgary, Alberta in the Northwest Auto Mall. Here we have one of our pre-owned units. It is a 2018 NX300 F Sport Series 3 in the Obsidian finish. All vehicles purchased at Lexus of Royal Oak come with an automatic enrollment into our Royal VIP Rewards program. This vehicle is a one-owner, low-mileage, local Calgary car with a clean, accident-free Carproof. Some of the features do include the premium triple beam LED headlamps with the auto leveling headlamp system, LED daytime running lights, LED fog lights, F Sport front grille, front and rear park assist sensors, headlamp washers, keyless entry with the push to start ignition, automatic high beam, blind spot monitor with the rear cross traffic alert, power liftgate, heated steering wheel, panoramic view monitor, center locking differential, power folding side mirrors, power windows and locks, driver seat memory seating, power adjustable front seating, power tilt and telescopic steering wheel, hands-free controls, lane keeping assist with steering assist, dynamic radar cruise control with the pre-collision, a 10.3-inch multimedia display with navigation and the integrated backup camera with the bird's eye view, heated and ventilated front seats, drive mode select with the Sport Plus, which includes the adaptive variable suspension, remote touchpad, QI compatible wireless smartphone charging, sunroof, circuit red interior, in great shape, and of course comes with the built-in legendary Lexus quality, reliability, and lowest luxury cost of ownership. To find out more on this vehicle, visit us at lexusofroyaloak.com or give us a call to schedule a test drive today at 403-296-9600.